Hey, this is Master Fitch at World Martial Arts Academy, SoCo. We have a secret class just for you guys today. I have Master T here to help me out. And I have Mr. Leo here to help me out. We're gonna have a blast today. This is class number 1 for the week of April the 27th. Okay, you know the drill. Complete your email curriculum practice sheets, practice your form, your board breaking techniques, practice step sparring 1, 2, 3, and self-defense 4 swords number 1. Today, make sure that you email me your training sheets. You can email me to wmaaejf@aol.com. I want to see those training pictures, and I want to see your curriculum sheets. Earn your credits for your next testing. That'd be great. Make sure you have a clear space to train in today. Safety first. Make sure you're going to need a few props today. You're going to need some shoes, maybe 6, 8. You're going to need some pillows. I'll let you know when you need that, and we'll give you a chance to pick it up, or if you want to stop it now, go ahead and stop now and go get the stuff that you need. Remember, if you want to train a little extra, pause your video and do a few more reps of whatever we're doing. If you need to get a drink, that's cool too. I'm going to start you off today with some exercises and some VStep exercises. This is going to be really a class geared toward aerobic training and building you up, so whatever this week throws at you, you're going to be able to handle it. So I'm happy that you're here. Let's have a little bit of fun today. All right, ready up. And kanne, 10 jumping jacks, 시작! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands on your hips, neck roll. 1 time, 2 times, shoulders forward. 하나, 둘, to the back. 하나, 둘, cross them in front. 하나, 둘, palms up. 하나, 둘, stretch. Stretch. Good. Bring those legs out far. Good. Point 1 foot to the side. Forearm goes down. Stretch that arm straight up high. Bend into that stretch. Deep stretch. And switch it up. Other side. Stretch it out. Deep stretch. Good. Bring them in. Roll your hips. Hana. And dul. Switch direction. Hana. And dul. Feet together. Some knee rolls. Hana. Dul. Other way. Hana. Dul. One more time. Stretch them out far. Bring those hands up high. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale low. Inhale up. And exhale low. Good. One more time up high. Take a deep breath. And out. Good. Make a horse stance. We're going to pretend like you have a boulder right here. It's a big, heavy, huge boulder. You can't hardly move it. Grab that boulder and pick it up. And throw it up in the air. Back down. Grab that boulder. Pick it up. And throw it up high up in the air. Good. 10 more jumping jacks. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Yo, shake it out. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. One more time. Inhale deep and out. We're going to start off with some VStep drills today. VStep, commonly used in self-defense. Never stand in front of your attacker. Move to the side, move to the side, move back away, but never stand still. So we're going to do some striking and blocking techniques from this VStep. So we'll start off in a guard stance. Everybody say, "Ayah!" All right, good. So slide forward with your front foot, 45-degree angle, jab cross, then switch, jab cross. On my count. Hana, ayah, to, ayah, se, ayah, ne, ayah, dos, ayah, yos, ayah, yoga, ayah, yado, ayah. From your guard stance, turn that jab into a palm down chop. So step, chop, punch. Step, chop, punch. With me, I'll allow cap at home. Hana, ayah, 둘, 아야, 셋, 아야, 넷, 아야, 여섯, 아야, 여섯, 아야, 일곱, 아야. Shake it out. Kick those legs out. Take a deep breath. And out. Guard stance. Everybody key out. Say, hey! Turn that chop into a high block with a reverse punch. Slide your V-step, block, punch. Slide your V-step, block, punch. I'm going to do one key out. You're going to do both sides. Hana! Aya! Aya! 둘! Aya! Aya! Hana! Aya! Aya! 둘! Aya! Aya! Hana! Aya! Aya! Shake it out. Guard stance, key out, say hey! This time step your V-step, reverse block with your right hand. Punch to the rib. Other side, reverse block, punch to the rib. One key out, two moves. Hana! Aya! Aya! 둘! Aya! Aya! 셋! Aya! Aya! 넷! Aya! Aya! 하나! Aya! Aya! 둘! Aya! Aya! Carry up. And a kande. Good. 10 jumping jacks. 시작. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this next drill we're going to use kind of like an agility ladder. You've all done the agility drills here today. We're going to use some props. Most of you don't have agility ladders at home, so there's things you can use around your house. We're going to start off. This is where you're going to get your shoes. Give me a shoe. We got one shoe. We got two shoes. We got three shoes. We got four shoes. We got 5 shoes. And we got 6 shoes. And if you don't have a shoe, use a belt. Works just as good. Actually, you can use anything you want as long as it's not tall. It's got to be low to the ground. Don't want to trip, fall down, hurt yourself. So, I'm going to demonstrate your agility drills. Master T, Mr. Leo are going to be doing them for you today. We're going to start off with a single step. Take your time, you don't have to go fast. You're going to run one all the way through and then back to the beginning. Jump, sir. Turn up. Come there. And hurrah. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Say. Hey, 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 hey. Nay. Hey, 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 hey. And 12. Hey, 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 hey. Good job, sir. All right, good fighting stance. Hey. Next drill we're doing is a side step. Front step, I'm sorry. We're gonna move forward, but both feet are gonna go in between your shoes each time. So you're gonna run 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and in with a big key out. Back to the beginning. Mr. Leo. Turn up. And there. And hurrah. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Say. Hey, 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 hey. Net. Hey, 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 hey. We got one more for Mr. Leo. And Tase. Hey, 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 hey. Awesome job, sir. All right, our next drill is fighting stance. We're going to go sideways this time. So both feet face one direction and in and out, 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 and and Master T. And hurrah! Hey, 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 hey. And good. Hey, hey, And we got one more. 12. Awesome. Good job, sir. Tidy up. And remember, while I'm demonstrating, you guys take a break. You don't have to do these all straight through. If you need to take any kind of a break at any time, feel free to do so. Go get a drink of water, whatever you like. The next one, we're going to do our double in and out jump. So both feet go in between and then go out. In between and 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 out. And all right, Mr. Leo. And hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Say. Hey, 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 hey. Nay. Hey, 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 hey. And one more for Mr. Leo. Dase. Hey, 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 hey. All right, give Mr. Leo a big hand. All right, guard stands. Hey. So we got one more. These are commonly known as skiers. We're gonna put one foot in between, then the other foot the next two, then the other foot the next two, and ayah, 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 ayah. Master T. Hada. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Say. Ay, 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 ay. Nay. Ay, 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 ay. One more. Dase. Ay, 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 ay. And let's do one more. Master T's having too much fun. Yes, sir. And ay, 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 ay. Awesome job. Everybody give Master T a big hand. All right, and shoes up. All right, now we're going to start using our pillows. They're not really pillows. We have square hand targets here today, but you can use a pillow at home. It'll work good. It can be a big bedroom pillow. It can be a little sofa pillow, whatever you like. I am using the awesome Little Dragon square target today. I'll bring Master T and Mr. Leo in with me today. So we're going to start off with your pillow. You're going to go down on one knee and put that pillow right in front of that bent knee. All right, one that's down on the floor. Make a guard stand. Say, hey! Aye. We're going to start off with a straight punch down on my kiab. Hada! Aye! Do! Aye! Say! Aye! Net! Aye! Dase! Aye! Yase! Aye! Yogab! Aye! Yaro! Aye! Open that hand up. Now we're going to go down for a palm strike. Hada! Aye! Do! Aye! Say! Aye! Net! Aye! Dase! Aye! Yase! Aye! Yogab! Aye! Yarol! Aye! All right, let's switch knees.
Sure.
Little Dragon says, please don't hurt me. All right, tight fist. Roll those fingers down. So you have a tight fist, thumb on the back. Lock it down, never on the side or inside. Straight punch down on my kiab. Hey! Hey! Do it! Hey! Say! Hey! Nay! Hey! Do say! Hey! Yo say! Hey! Yuga! Hey! Yedol! Hey! All right, open that palm up. Remember, palm strike, fingers locked tight. Lock that thumb in for more power and more strength in those fingers. And hada! Hey! Do it! Hey! Say! Hey! Nay! Hey! Do say! Hey! Yo say! Hey! Yogab! Hey! Yadol! Hey! All right, go ahead and pick that pillow up.
Sure.
And let's put it on our left hand, or just hold it with your left hand, however you want. You could actually grab it in between your elbow bend and your hand. Okay, we're going to do a side hammer fist. That strike is to this part of the body. This hand is going to go around the head, and we're going to pop it in, nice and tight. Remember, tight fist, all right, on my kiap. Hey! 둘! 셋! 넷! 다섯! 여섯! 일곱! 여덟! I like this one. 여덟! Yo! All right, now pull that forearm straight across. You're striking from the knuckles right here, the front of your fist, all the way to your elbow, this whole part of your body. Make sure your hammer fist, the bottom of your hammer fist is facing the target, not your knuckles.
Sure.
All right, pull that in and pull this one out. Hey! 둘! 셋! 넷! 다섯! 여섯! 일곱! 여덟! 여섯! Yo! Asa! Good. Switch it up.
Sure.
All right. Grab it with your other hand, opposite hand. Going back to our side hammer fist strike. Tight fist on my kiap. 둘! 셋! 넷! 다섯! 여섯! 일곱! 여덟! 여섯! Yo! All right, pull that into the forearm. Remember, knuckles not facing, hammer fist facing. Ha! 둘! 셋! 넷! 다섯! 여섯! 일곱! 여덟! 여섯! Yo! Asa! Go ahead, bring it out in front. You can hold it with both hands. Right foot is back, left foot, doesn't matter. We're gonna do both sides. We're gonna bring that knee up and bring that pillow right down on your knee on my kiap. Hey! 둘! 셋! 넷! 다섯! 여섯! 일곱! 여덟! 여섯! Yo! Switch feet!
Sure.
Same thing. 하나! 둘! 셋! 넷! 다섯! 여섯! 일곱! 여덟! 여섯! Yo! Asa! Good. Face each other. Turn it up. And connect. Good job, gentlemen. Little dragons rock. Everybody rocks today. You guys are doing awesome. So we're going to go into some power drills now. You know, at the end of class, we often do a lot of these endurance drills that help us build up our stamina and make us really stronger in our technique and everything that we do. So we're going to start off. Master T is going to come on around. And we're going to start off with timed power drills. We're going to do about 15 seconds on each one of these. So we'll start off with 10 jumping jacks. Shija!
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟,
All right, everybody give Master T a big hand. Give him some encouragement. I know he can make it through these. We're going to do a switch stance lunge for about 15 seconds. And she jump. And time. Keep breathing in. Again, in through the nose, out through the mouth. We got 4 more to do here. This time we're going to do a push-up sit-up. So you're going to do your sit-up, roll over onto your stomach, do a push-up, and then roll back over onto your back. All right, here we go. We're doing 15 seconds. Push-up, sit-up. Shit up. Ay. 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 One more. Ay. And time. Ay. Good job, sir. Deep breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. We got 3 more to do. These are sliding grapevines. Try to get that cross knee down as close as you can, moving side to side. And she go. And And time. Deep breathing in. 2 more to go. Get pumped up. Right on. Here we go for some ab flies. These are on your back. Legs are spread out as far as you can and bring them all the way back and touch them together. Remember, keep those knees straight, locked out. Shig up. Ay. 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 And time. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. This is the last one, guys. Don't quit now. I know you can do it. We're doing some sit-outs. Just 10 seconds of good sit-outs. All right. From a seated position and from a push-up position. My bad, sir. All right. Here we go. Sit-out. Sit-out.
Ay. 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 Ay, 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 ay.
And time. Deep breathing in. Show resting stance. Guys are doing great. We've only got a few more minutes here. We're going to end with some basic techniques. We're going to have our assistants today, Master Team, Mr. Leo. Give them a big hand. They've been awesome helping us out. They're in a horse stance at a 45-degree angle. We're going to start off with some middle body punches. Ha!
Ay.
Ay, say,
ay,
ne,
ay,
das,
ay,
yes,
ay,
yoga,
ay,
no,
ay,
hop,
ay,
yo,
ay.
punch, say, taekwondo, hana,
Taekwondo,
say,
taekwondo,
ne,
taekwondo.
say, we rock, hana,
we rock,
we
rock,
say,
we rock,
ne,
we rock.
and 3 punch, taekwondo, hey,
taekwondo,
hey,
taekwondo,
hey,
taekwondo,
hey,
taekwondo.
and rising block, hana,
Ay,
do,
ay,
say,
ay,
ne,
ay,
that's
ay,
it, out to in block, hana,
ay,
do,
ay,
say,
ay,
ne,
ay,
that's it,
ay.
single down block, hana,
ay,
do,
ay,
say,
ay,
ne,
ay,
that's it,
ay.
right foot back, fighting stance, hey,
Ay.
front snap kick, hana,
ay,
do,
ay,
say,
ay,
net,
ay,
that's it,
Ay.
switch feet,
Sir.
hana,
ay,
do,
ay,
say,
ay,
ne,
ay,
that's it,
Ay.
chariot, and connect, face each other, and connect, bow.
Cool.
Excellent job, gentlemen, come on off. All right, there you go. Let's end up with 10 jumping jacks. Shijak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kamsahamnida. Class is over. You guys did an awesome job. Keep training. Remember, never fear moving forward slowly. Only fear standing still.